Hey everyone, and welcome back. Now what we're going to talk about in this video is going to be the SEO on-page report tool. All right, now this is the sixth and final installment of creating an optimized website. However, this does not mean your optimization stops here. All right, you need to continuously put in fresh content as well with all the other tools and services that we showed you in a previous video. All right, now what this tool that we're going to talk about in this video is going to do, the SEO on-page report tool, is going to grade your site. So if you come here, you're going to see very simply two boxes. It's going to have a keyword here and a URL. All right, you're going to put the keywords here that you're looking for, the ones that you optimize your page for, and then you're going to put your linked URL here. Now, it can be connected to a domain, it cannot be. I recommend go ahead and connecting your domain first, especially if you're doing something where you're selling products, or this is going to be a very significant site for you. You're going to handle a lot of business. You always want to test things live. However, as you're optimizing, you can go about and fine-tune your optimization as you're going, okay, before it actually is connected to your own domain. So what we're going to do is come here, go into my sites, and then we're going to go to the DJ site here that we were working on. Now, you need to make sure that your site is published. So, for instance, this page here, if I come here, it is not published, it's inactive. You cannot test this feature if it's inactive. So go ahead and publish your site. Once it's published, you want to click on the published version. You want to come down here. You want to get this URL. Okay. I'm going to pull this back up. And then we're going to close out, come back here, and go back into our SEO on page report tool. Put in our keywords. So remember, it was Orlando DJ. And then our full URL here with the HTTP:// you want all of that stuff there. All right, click on send, and then you're going to get your grade over here. Now, this is going to grade the keyword usage on your page and how many of these points that you've hit. All right, this gives you a brief overview of why you got this grade. All right, and this is the 5 main groups of factors that are going to impact your SEO. So here are your critical factors here: high relevance, moderate, low, and optional. Okay, now all of these are major factors that are going to go into your overall SEO, along with, like I said before, the fresh content on your page. You want to make sure you're keeping your page updated, keeping your social proof coming in and out of your page. All right, more traffic the better. Now, if you come over here, you have a better visual breakdown. You have a total keyword usage for this page is 10. All right, the title, URL, metadata, H1, H2, 4. It shows you everything here. All right, now if you want to see where you're lacking, so let's say, or where you're excelling at, you can come over here and click on these different links. So for the critical factors, we've hit all 4 points: accessible to engines, broad keyword usage in the page title, all these things. If we want to read more on how we did that, it's going to show us exactly what we did and an explanation. All right, now for things that we didn't do so well on, so let's say we got a 9 out of 11 here on a low relevance, we can see over here what we missed. So keyword usage in bold, /strong, /emphasize, /italics. We read more here. It's going to show us a breakdown of what's on our page and our keywords. So we don't have any bold, any strong words, any tags. The total here. Explanation and testing: search engines appear to have a reference for pages that employ a targeted key phrase with one of these elements, then those are missing. Okay, so it's going to show you that. It's going to show you where to add an emphasis if you're doing the code, or if you go into our site, just go ahead and bold it out, put an italic, and then you're going to see this check mark work here. All right, now let's come over here and actually test that out. So let's go ahead and put a bold keyword here. So let's come back to our website. Go into our website to edit. And now what we're going to do is, maybe let's come here, click on this text, and then I'm going to select an Orlando DJ, and I'm going to bold that out like so. All right, now I'm going to save my site here. Save my site here. And now I'm going to close out and come back to my SEO on page report tool. Now once I come back here and click on Orlando DJ, put in my URL and send off. Now I'm going to see that now instead of 9 out of 10 or 9 out of 11, I have 10 out of 11. Go back to my low relevance, and then I'll come into my bold keyword, read more, and I have one bold here. So you can see exactly how this keyword tool is working for you. You can see how you can go down here and fine tune your website so that it's almost perfectly optimized. All right, so go ahead and play around with this, and we hope to see you soon inside the platform.